How to review saved ad activity on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review saved ad activity on Facebook mobile. First then let's go to Facebook and then click these three lines in the top corner and then go down until you find settings and privacy, and after you click settings and privacy you will see this one, recent ad activity. Click on it and then click this one, save it, and as you see here you can review your saved ad activity on Facebook mobile. And that's how to review saved ad activity on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.